Peace, healing through inspiration. How y'all doing? It's a great grandiose day. It's a great, lovely, lovely, lovely day. Feathers up, by the way. We're not just talking, we actually living it. It's a great, so blissful, very happy. I'm just so happy everything is so prosperous right now. Let me know how y'all doing. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. This one right here is gonna be a banger. By the way. I got something for you. You probably can tell by the title, but I'm gonna pause this, alright? Look what we got here. Got our package. Ooh. From Cherie to healing through inspiration. Ooh. Alright. Hold on, let me show you the other side. Look at that. Ooh, Cherie. Mother Nature gems, you dig? You better get with it. Hey. Look at that. She got the little gold on there. Go ahead, girl. Trying to shine on them. Alright. Alright. I'm gonna put the camera down so I can do this. Or maybe I can. Oh, what's this? Never mind. Okay. Oh, smell that, boy. Smell that indeed. I'm using one hand for the camera. Let's see. That's indigenous black sage. Oh, let me show y'all so y'all can see. Y'all can pause that and read that if y'all like. Oh, I got something else in there. Let me see. Okay. Alright. Got some hairs and whatnot. Some natural grinded stuff. Oh, she got the black. Okay, I see you, sister. Hey, one love. God dang it. One love, god dang it. Alright. Shoot. I'm about to burn this thing right now. I know that for a fact. I'm about to burn that because I was looking for it. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, by the way, look at her. Look at the sister, yo. Look at the sister. She got this stuff out here. Let me see. Let me actually open this for y'all so y'all can see it, how we rocking, yo. Look at that. This green thing, I'm not gonna lie. Don't know what this is. Oh, there you go. I'm probably holding something out of shot, y'all niggas. Can't see it. Oh, nigga. Hold up. I'm smelling this right here. Oh, that smell like bliss. Oh, I forgot. It's the petals. It's the petals. Yeah. That's definitely some American stuff we do. You know, we had that petals, that scent, you dig? Look at that. She got these crystals out here in the tube. Okay. Flock there. Yeah. Y'all see it? You see it? Yeah. Get like, hey, hold up. Okay. Hey, I'm gassed though. I'm really liking it, yo. All right. Got that black sage. You know, I wanted to get the black sage because I got the white sage. The white sage leaves like white smoke. And it's kind of almost like a barbecue type of thing. So I wanted the black sage because I wanted the black smoke. You dig? Oh yeah, let me show you a card and whatnot. So how y'all know how to get contact with the sister. There you go, Cherie. Make sure y'all get with this sister. Her skin brown, you dig? Simply off that, and here go extra other contact, you know, where I let you know her name and whatnot, her website name, and just give y'all a last look at this to let y'all see. Or y'all can just pause it and read this. I already read it because it was like on her site. Mm-hmm. Look at everything I done got. This is cool. Make sure y'all go check out the sister Shamekua Shadi. You thick. Oh yeah, by the way, she go check out her other things. She got a little hustle on the side too. You know, she sell Chinese food on the side, you know, some hot feline, get you some feline soup. Yeah, you know. But you know, I'm just cracking jokes, yo. I'm cracking jokes. She gonna get that one. Hey, but yo, but you be a goofy not to get with her. So make sure you go support the sister. And also too, make sure you guys support us, cause you know, we like to support our own people. This is American old made products and whatnot. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification. You know, we still doing daily uploads and whatnot. And also too, if you guys want to book a one-on-one consultation, you can send us an email at info@healingthroughinspiration with the subject coaching, or you can just DM us on Instagram at healingthroughinspiration. Oh, and yeah, we got our American Meaning shirts. Limited supplies last on that. Uh, you know, you guys are really liking that, and I really appreciate the support on that. And we also have what was it again? So we got a lot of things. We got our Origini caps, Origini caps. Even the sisters, Shamekua Cherie, and I hope I'm pronouncing it right. You know, let me know. Let me know if I'm pronouncing it right, sister. But she even got her original caps. You know, you guys saw that. We even posted that she got it and whatnot. And I want to show appreciation to all you guys who've been continue to get our content and whatnot. We got more stuff coming for you guys, and as well as we even have a course too as well. For if you guys who want to start a business and you don't know how to, or you do have one and you want to further enhance your sales, the thing is you really got to learn marketing. Marketing is the thing of this game. And we actually have a course for that in the description. You just sign up down there below. More great things to come. And I really want the best for you guys, man. Just make sure you guys get outside. Make sure you guys meditate. At least try to get some type of clarity. You know, we try to deal with the inner self. That's why we got some sage right here, just to cleanse and give it some negative energy. So that's something that's very important. It's underlooked actually. But yeah, that's all, y'all. Y'all have a great one, man. Wear your feathers, all right.